The science behind the Bermuda Triangle. What really happens? The Bermuda Triangle, an area spanning roughly 500,000 square miles of ocean, has long been shrouded in mystery. Countless stories of ships and planes disappearing without a trace have made this region one of the world's most notorious. But is there really something strange going on here? Or is it all just myth? Today, we dive deep into the science behind the Bermuda Triangle and uncover what really happens in these waters. Number 1. The origins of the mystery. The Bermuda Triangle's legend gained momentum in the mid-20th century, fueled by high-profile disappearances like Flight 19 in 1945 and the USS Cyclops in 1918. The media sensationalized these events, turning them into tales of the unknown. Books and articles followed, suggesting everything from alien abductions to time warps. But how much of this is based on actual evidence? To answer that, we need to understand the region's unique natural phenomena. Number 2. Weather and ocean conditions. One of the key scientific explanations for disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is extreme weather. The area is prone to sudden and violent storms, including hurricanes. The warm waters of the Gulf Stream, combined with cold air from the north, create ideal conditions for rapidly forming storms. Many ships and aircraft may have been caught off guard by these natural occurrences. But it's not just the weather above the surface. Below, the ocean's currents are equally treacherous. The Gulf Stream is one of the most powerful ocean currents in the world, capable of quickly sweeping debris and entire ships far from their original locations. This makes it difficult for rescue missions to find wreckage or survivors. Weather scientists says that the Bermuda Triangle lies in an area of the Atlantic where weather systems can change rapidly. The warm waters fuel powerful storms that can become dangerous in a matter of hours. Ships caught in these conditions may have little time to react. Sudden storms and fast-moving currents are not unique to the Bermuda Triangle, but they contribute to the region's reputation as a dangerous place for navigation. Number 3. Magnetic anomalies. Another scientific explanation for the Bermuda Triangle's mystery involves magnetic anomalies. The Earth's magnetic field is not uniform, and some areas have naturally occurring magnetic variations. These variations can affect navigation instruments like compasses, causing them to malfunction. In the early days of flight and maritime travel, this would have posed a significant challenge to pilots and captains. Geophysicist says that there's evidence that in certain parts of the Bermuda Triangle, the magnetic field can interfere with compasses, leading to miscalculations in direction. In the past, this could have caused aircraft and ships to go off course and become lost. While modern technology has largely mitigated these issues, navigation errors in the past may have contributed to some of the Triangle's more mysterious disappearances. Number 4. Rogue waves and methane hydrates. The ocean itself holds other secrets, some of them more deadly than any supernatural explanation. Rogue waves, which are massive, unpredictable waves that can reach heights of over 100 feet, are a real danger in the open ocean. These waves can appear out of nowhere and have the power to capsize even large ships. Oceanographer says that rogue waves have only recently been confirmed by satellite data, but sailors have reported them for centuries. In an area as turbulent as the Bermuda Triangle, rogue waves could easily account for some of the unexplained sinkings. Another scientific theory revolves around methane hydrates. Methane gas, trapped beneath the seafloor, can sometimes be released in large amounts. When these gases bubble up to the surface, they can reduce the water's density, causing ships to lose buoyancy and sink rapidly. While this theory is still debated, it offers a plausible explanation for why some vessels disappear without a trace. Number 5. Human error and misinterpretation. But perhaps the simplest explanation for many of the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries is human error. Navigating the open ocean, particularly in a time before GPS and advanced weather forecasting, was incredibly challenging. Pilots and captains frequently miscalculated their positions, leading to accidents and disappearances. Many incidents attributed to the Bermuda Triangle can be traced back to poor navigation mechanical failure, or lack of communication. Maritime historian says that human error has always been a factor in maritime disasters. The Bermuda Triangle's remote location and difficult conditions amplify the potential for mistakes. While the stories of the Bermuda Triangle may seem mysterious, many of them are simply the result of the inherent dangers of sea and air travel. What really happens? So, what really happens in the Bermuda Triangle? The answer lies not in supernatural forces or alien intervention, but in a combination of natural phenomena and human error. Sudden storms, rogue waves, magnetic anomalies, and navigation mistakes all play a role in the area's reputation. While the Bermuda Triangle may have been a mystery in the past, modern science offers explanations for nearly all of its so-called disappearances. The real mystery might be why we're so captivated by the unknown. Sometimes, the simplest explanations are the most powerful.